Hello viewers, I welcome you all. This is Pratibha with a new video. In our last class we learnt about negative component for the minus 7. Right? We learned that if you need to subtract 7 and if you are not having proper beads available, then what you can do. Okay, so let's quickly revise that. Formula for minus 7 was minus 10 plus 3. Right? So you need to move one bead from this tens place and you need to add 3 beads on the unit place. This we have learned. So today we are going to do our next formula for 6, negative 6. That if you need to subtract 6 in any question, if you are not having proper beads available, then what you are going to do. So minus 10 plus 4. Because you know 6 and 4 are big friends to each other. Right? So अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, so आप क्या करेंगे, आप टेंस प्लेस पे जाके एक बीट को नीचे कर देंगे और वंस प्लेस पर 4 बीट्स अप कर देंगे. राइट, 4 ऐड कर देंगे. So let's understand all these by some questions. So let's take question 3, 7, negative 6, then 39, add 6, subtract 6, 82, add 8, add 5, less 6. So today we are going to do these 3 questions in this video. Okay. So let's begin with our question number 1. Let's mark them. So how do you make 3? You need to make 3 in the unit place and by making 3 beads up. Then you need to add 7 plus 7. You cannot add 7 here because आपके पास beads available नहीं है. इस bead की value 5 होती है और इस bead की value 1 होती है. तो आप दोनों को add भी कर देंगे तो सिर्फ 6 available है, 7 available नहीं है. So हम अपने positive component को revise करते हैं plus 10 minus 3. ठीक है. 7 and 3 जो होता है वो एक दूसरे के बिग फ्रेंड होते हैं. अगर प्लस 7 करना है तो फॉर्मूला होता है प्लस 7 माइनस 3, प्लस 7 माइनस 3. राइट, नाउ यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 6. अभी आपके पास सिर्फ 10 है तो 6 कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 10 प्लस 4. ओके, so minus 10 add 4. What is your answer? 4. So 7 plus 3 is 10, minus 6, 4. You can always check your answer. So answer is correct. Okay, let's move to your next question. 39. 3 on the tens place, 3 on the tens place, 9 on the unit place. How do you make 39? 3, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 39. Now add 6 plus 6. We cannot add 6 on the ones place because it's all full. So plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4. Plus 10 minus 4. Right? Now you have to subtract 6. Again, on the unit place we have only 5. So we cannot subtract 6. How do you subtract 6? By using this formula. Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4. Answer is 3 on the tens place, 3, and 9 in the unit place, 39. 39 is your answer. Okay. Fine. So let's do our next question. (82). 82. Right? 8 on the tens place, 2 on the unit place. Now add 8. 8 we cannot add because this speed is having value 5, 6, 7. So we have only 7 on the unit place. How do you add 8? Plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. This we did in our last classes. If you have not gone through, please go through those classes so that you can relate. Plus 10 minus 2 because 8 and 2 are big friends to each other. Plus 10 minus 2. Now 5. 5 we can add. 5 हमारे पास है तो ये हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. अब 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, minus 6. So we are going to use this formula again. Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4. And your answer is 89. Okay. So from this, what we learned today? Minus 6 is equal to minus 10 plus 4. Okay. So you simply don't need to cram the formulas. But you know, once you know the big friends, you can make your formula. So 6 and 4 are big friend to each other. So if you need to add 6 and we are not having beads available, तो क्या करना है? Plus 10 minus 4. अगर 6 को subtract करना है, beads नहीं है तो क्या करना है? Minus 10 plus 4. Okay, this way you can do your questions easily. So keep practicing. See you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.